Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Geraldine Isuzie. This channel is all about natural skincare and general lifestyle. If you're just joining us, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell as well, so you always be the first to know once I have new content. Today I want to show us how I make use of my Thieves Essential Oil. I know people will be wondering why Thieves Essential Oil. Yes, I decided to show you guys how I make use of it because of its cleansing and purifying properties, especially in this COVID-19 period. So Thieves Essential Oil is a blend of 6 different oils. It has cloves oil, lemon, cinnamon, radiata, eucalyptus and rosemary. 6 in 1. And if you listen to the names I mentioned, especially cloves, cinnamon, eucalyptus, rosemary, they are awesome in fighting infections. So what do you think inspired the Thieves Essential Oil? Why was it named Thieves? History has it that four thieves in the 15th century, they went stealing from dead bodies that died as a result of the Black Plague of that time. So it was noticed that they were stealing from people that died as a result of the plague, but they themselves were not being affected or infected by the plague. It was because they were wearing a mixture of cloves, rosemary, and other botanicals that they put together. So it was said that, of course, they came out of the plague alive, and when they were finally caught, they got a lighter sentence in exchange for the recipe they used during that period. People wanted to know what they used. So that was what inspired the Thieves Essential Oil blend. Like I said earlier, it contains cloves, lemon, eucalyptus, rosemary, cinnamon, and radiata. 6 blend of powerful oils all in one. What I love so much about it is the irresistible spicy aroma. I just love it. It cleanses and purifies and even refreshes the atmosphere, the air around you once it is used. So whenever I notice a foul smell or odor, or I just want the peace and calm, that comes from inhaling this Thieves Essential Oil, I bring out my diffuser. There is a compartment for water, so I add the water to it. Then I put in like 6 or 7 drops of this essential oil. Then I plug it to the socket and it starts diffusing. After a while, there's this peace and calm it brings that I so much love. And also you just notice that the foul odor or smell just vanishes, like it cleanses and purifies the atmosphere for you. I also use it in my washing liquid as well. Like you're doing dishes, you could just add few drops, like 2-3 drops to the water you use for the final rinse, or even the washing liquid itself, you just add it to it. That's why it also, Thieves also has a range of cleaning products. It has a washing liquid, it has washing liquid for clothes as well, named Thieves. Yes, it also has that spicy aroma that comes with it. Then if you want to apply topically on your skin, you need to dilute it with a plant oil. You could either dilute with coconut oil or olive oil, or depending on the oil of your choice, you just dilute it a bit. Then I apply it to my pulse points, behind my ears, and also on my wrists. I also apply it at night underneath my feet as well. I just rub it all over the underneath of my feet and I go to bed. Another place where it comes in handy is when you're feeling stressed in your feet. It helps in foot massage. You know, you apply a little of it on your foot and just use it to massage it, you know, so that you're not rubbing your hands on dry skin. So like there is no friction while your hand is moving on your skin, and before you know it, you feel better in your foot when you use it for your foot massage. So that's how I make use of Thieves Essential Oil, a blend of 6 powerful oils: clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, radiata, and rosemary, and lemon. I don't know if I call that. So it goes a long way in purifying and cleansing not just the air and the atmosphere, also your dishes and your clothes as well, and can be applied topically on your skin. Just ensure you dilute with a carrier oil. I'm sure you got value from this video. Don't forget to share, give it a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell as well, so you always get to know once I have new content. Have you been struggling with acne? Do you now have self-esteem issues that you can't even go out without wearing a makeup to cover up the acne spots? I've put a book together for you, the Acne Handbook. This book will help you demystify acne, as to how it is formed, the causes, what predisposes your skin to breaking out in acne, how your skin fares in different seasons and climates, affirmations that can help you build your mindset to the level where you start seeing yourself having a blemish-free skin before you eventually get there in reality. To place an order for your own acne handbook, there's a link in the description of this video. Click on it and to take you to where you get your own copy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification bell so you always get to know once I have new content. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Cheers.